Enrolled students can use Atlas to search for materials, eBooks, connect with librarians, or search the databases for academic journals. Simply log in. And on the main page, under Libraries, we have Search the Library. Simply click on that. And here is the main library page. We can use our search bar here and enter a title or a subject and hit search. And we will have everything that Valencia has related to your search. In this case, dogs. And you can click on any of these to get more information about the article or book. Something else that you can do from the library home pages, you can access the databases. So at the top of the databases A to Z tab, click on that. And it will bring up all the databases that Valencia College provides to its students. Now, these are free to use as long as you're an enrolled student, and it will provide articles, papers about various subject matter. And again, these are free to use for enrolled Valencia students. And if you need some hands-on help, we do have an Ask a Librarian link back on the home page. So at the top, on the very right, we have our Ask a Librarian. Click on that. And here you can text, email, or call an available online librarian and ask for assistance.